What is the best answer?
Is A.
Letter A, correct. The subject is yellow, noun, and we need single verb, subject verb agreement. That's right. Plus,
Yes.
John, if you found the three phrases, delete. Look, present perfect phrase, delete. Infinitive phrase, delete. Present participle phrase, delete. So, three phrases, delete. If you found the three phrases, delete. And check. Do you need verb or phrase? I need verb. So delete any phrase. That is logic.
No.
No. What is your answer?
C.
Letter C. No, my friend. Why? Because your subject is plural. Always check the rules. Where is the subject in the sentence? From the beginning to the end. Where is the subject? Follow the rules. Delete any phrase. Delete any relative clause. Delete any non-essential. So, preposition phrase, delete. Preposition phrase, delete. Non-essential between two dashes, delete. Relative clause, delete. What is left? Speakers, use, 5 main registers. That's all. Right?
Right.
We have some hacks. Guess. Like that. If you found the three singular, delete. Three singular verbs, delete. Three plural verbs, delete. But this is a hack. You must follow the rules to confirm. Delete any phrase, delete any relative clause, delete any non-essential. To find the subject and verb quickly. Good try. Next. What is your answer?
B.
Letter B corrective. Boys correct. That's right.
Right.
What is your answer?
A.
No, it must be letter B. Let's follow the rules. It's a list using semicolon. So information, semicolon, information, semicolon, and information. This information can be words, can be phrases, can be clauses. Always look after the semicolons. What do we have? We have adjective, noun. So you need semicolon plus adjective and noun. Where? Semicolon, adjective, noun. Correct. Here we don't have semicolon. Wrong. Here we don't have semicolon. Wrong. Here we have semicolon. Correct. But look, adjective, noun, another semicolon. After the semicolon, is noun an adjective? No. So we have a mistake in this part. So it is wrong. Something else can help you. Look after it, comma. So we need comma. This is called list by the use of semicolon in punctuation. Must be in parallelism. All of them the same structure. That's all. Feel it? Like that. Adjective, noun, comma, such as. So always look after the semicolon to help you. But we need semicolon. And here we don't have any semicolon. So it can help you to delete. Next. .
My answer here was C.
Letter C.
Yes.
But you have a trap in C. What is the beginning of the sentence? The beginning is from here, because this is an information to describe something before. Look, the subject, verb, and then another instrument. What is it after calling? So from the beginning to the full stop, it's a complete sentence. How about after? After it's like that, a relatively quiet instrument. What's it? It's full. So the second one here, a positive affirmation, comma, and then start your sentence. Look, for range of sound was subject verb. So the second sentence start from A. So in this part we have two complete sentences. Two complete sentences. If you put comma only between them, wrong. If you keep them without any punctuation, wrong. So here we have between them, comma wrong, comma wrong, comma wrong. So we test here where is the beginning of the second clause, from here or from there. So the information is the float related to the preface. To the preface sentence, I mean. That's why. So letter D, correct. What is next? What is your answer?
My answer was D. No, it was. Oh,
Let's follow the rules. Let's follow the rules.
rules.
Before calling sentence, I must check. I take from the beginning to the calling. The vessel took 6 days, so I found the subject, found the verb, and 6 days to dislodge. And then he add details to the sentence. At the end, no problem. The sentence can be like that, complete sentence, comma, apostrophe phrase. So the structure here correct. After calling, so that is a sentence. So complete sentence, calling. After it, we have explanation. Yes, it tells you why it took 6 days, because it is as heavy as 2,000 blue whales. So the information after calling, it tells you why. So calling is the best choice. Now check the common mistakes in English. We have two complete sentences. It subject is verb and then complements. So you have two complete sentences. If you keep them with comma, wrong. With comma, wrong. Without any punctuation, wrong. That is the point. Catch it? So common mistakes like that, comma plus mistake. Without any punctuation, run on mistake. Calling, clear punctuation. That's all, my dear. Now what is the next try?
Also, my answer.
Now you can answer, and they have 10 minutes. Now let's continue. You said letter C. No, my friend. Letter B.
No.
Yeah, because it's indirect speech. He said he wanted to investigate how. So it's not a question. It's indirect speech. As I can say that your doctor mother called me to know when we will start. I'm not asking him. I'm telling you information. So it must be sentence structure. Sentence structure. Here is structure of a question. No. Here it's a question mark, but it's not a structure. Look, it's a sentence structure. How? From a mistake. Here could, this is a structure of a question, but where is a question mark? Common mistake. So we test you, is it a question or sentence? That's it. So indirect, so we need sentence. Sentence, order, subject, verb. So letter B. What is the next? Come on. What is the answer?
B.
Letter D. No.
No, B.
Letter B. If it's B, you need comma before the fanboys. You need comma. So no B. Remember, we have to complete sentences. The first one such type is subject verb complement, and the second one subject verb. So we have to complete sentence. So between them, comma only, commas plus mistake. No punctuation or run on mistake. Comma from boys, you need comma. Here semicolon, it can be correct. So imagine like that. We have to complete sentence, complete sentence. Between them, you can use full stop, correct. Semicolon, correct. Comma fanboys, correct. Single dash, correct. Calling, correct. Comma relative pronoun, correct. All of these could be correct. Subordinating conjunction, correct. But you must check which one. So semicolon, correct. No D. That's why. What is next?
Zeus. No, these to swirl into a mass.
It must be letter D. So letter D, correct. Yeah, remember it refers to the word water, because the water is warm, as you know. So it refers to the word water, so it's similar. Some mistakes, like, or some guesses, plural, delete. 3 plural answers, delete. But this is hack. You must read carefully. So it refers to the word water, and water in this sentence is singular. Don't trust your memory. Water can be plural, but here used as singular. I can see waters if I'm talking about different types of waters, but here used as singular, so must be singular. Good try. What next?
This one I did it. B.
It can be letter B, but no. Why? Because we don't need positions. What is a position? Because it's a subject. When let me help you. When subordinated conjunction in the middle. So complete sentence, subordinated conjunction, complete sentence. This part we test you. We test you for this clause. Subject verb complement. Here it's the subject. Delete the non-essential information, you will find the verb. So we are not talking about something related to the protagonist. No, there is no position. So apostrophe S, both of them wrong. Here it is. How can I say it is? I'm talking about the two women, two persons, woman and the man. So I cannot use two. I cannot use it. So it for non-human. Do you know it? So here it's two. So after it, we need possessive pronoun. Apostrophe S here means is or has. It does not make sense. So this means subject, and this is a verb. So the structure and letter D correct. That's all. So write the next. Yeah, what is your answer?
The answer is B.
Letter B? No, it's letter A. Look, this is not position. Position like that. If I said my father's a car, so my father, when, and then apostrophe S, and then noun. As I told you, noun, apostrophe S, noun. Are we talking about the father car or the car of father?
The
So it should
father.
so after apostrophe, we need noun. This is not noun. This verb. So we don't need possessive S. And you know it. And we have another mistake. We are not talking about the precedence of term. So mistakes again. So here we have a mistake. Here we have a mistake. Both of them wrong. Here double mistake. This one mistaken wrong. So number of terms precedence can serve. So number of terms which precedence can serve. So grammatically meaningfully correct. That's all. 8. Expected again. Noun plus S apostrophe noun. This S, it's a plural S. This S, possessive S. We delete possessive S if we have plural S. It does not need to repeat S again. So expect that or that. If we have position meaning, how can I know it change and use of? Like that, the car of my father. If you are talking about the car of father, it can be, but here we don't have. That's why. Always check meaning. Come on. What is the next?
I didn't see. No, B, B.
But letter C correct. Why? Let's follow the rules. We follow the rules. Let's find the sentence from the beginning. Let's revise the structure. So in here, preposition phrase. So the sentence start with phrase, comma, start. Artificial intelligence that absorbs, so subject, that absorbs sustainable energies, comma, distributing, so you need verb. So clause, comma, non-essential, comma, verb. It can be correct, relative clause here. And then non-essential information using the present participle phrase. No problem, delete them. As I told you to find the subject and the verb quickly, delete all the phrases, delete all the relative clauses, delete the non-essential. After deleting all of these, you will find that you need verb. So your subject is artificial intelligence. Singular, you need singular. Again, plural, plural, plural. 3 plural, delete. Because this is hack. Follow the rules to find the subject. Delete any phrase, delete any relative clause, delete any non-essential information to find the subject and verb quickly. That's all. Intelligence, it's abstract noun, must be singular. And already we have evidence, absorbs. this subject with this verb. So it is singular. So intelligent must be singular. So must be singular, letter C. And that's it. We always follow the rules. I'm going to send you the link until you finish. Come on, let's start the next